Hi guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a hair review. So this hair was sent to me by Beyond Hair. This is a sponsored video. Yeah. So this hair was sent to me free by Beyond Hair. So this is their packaging, and I use Amazon Prime, so I receive it the same day I bought it. So this is Beyond Hair, and they are at Amazon. So this is their spring hair. So this is their packaging. This is how it looks like. Beautiful packaging. So when I open it, this is the hair, and it comes with some gifts as well, like hair accessories. So when I open it, this is how it looks like. My first impression, the hair is really beautiful. It's got net to keep it nice and neat. Lovely packaging. So this is how it looks like, and this is their thingy. So this one is spring hair, and the color is T1B/burgundy. So it's beautiful color, guys. Look at the color. The color of the hair is really beautiful. So they send me this hair to review. They send it for me to review. So there's 3 packs all together in there. There's 3 of these ones, and it comes with these accessories, like to help hold your hair whilst you're doing them. Yeah, so I'm gonna be fixing it, and I will show you how it turns out. So this is my braiding pattern. The front is small, it's braided small. Use gel to gel the front of my hair, and then this is the back. The back is big ones, so small ones connect to big ones. So that's my braiding pattern. So let's just get right into it. So when you get the hair, like it's like that, and you have to I just love the curls, like the way the spring, like look at that, it's so beautiful. And you can do so many styles with this hair. It doesn't have to be only spring twist. You can do like a curly hairstyle with it. You can do like so many hairstyles with this hair. So when I take it out, this is how it looks like. So like I love the way that it looks like. So that's how I'm going to be fixing it. I'm just going to be fixing it the way it is. I'm not going to separate it and change the style. I just love the way it is. So I'm going to be doing it, and I'll show you. So this is the finished result of the hair. This is it, tied up. This is how it looks, and when I release it, this is how it looks. So it turns out really lovely. I love the hair. It's so easy to do and it's very light. So I'm going to leave the link to the hair below. So this is Beyond Hair, and they sell in Amazon, and this video is sponsored by Beyond Hair. So I'm going to leave their link. So look at that. When I let go, it's just so beautiful. So yeah, this is the hair. Look at the vibrant color. I love the color. So this is my back. So it was like really easy. I just crocheted it in, and I twisted a bit. As you can see, I didn't separate them. Like, I just love the way the curls like was, so I didn't separate it. I twisted just the way it came in, and I didn't twist all of them. Some of them are twisted, some of them are not, just to give me a fuller look. And yeah, it turns out really nice. It's full, and yeah, just like so. Yeah, this is the result. So I'm going to leave the link to purchase the hair below. If you can go and check them out at Amazon, Beyond Beauty, they sell wigs and hair care products and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to leave their link down below for you to purchase the hair if you want to buy the hair. So this is how it looks like. I love it. It turns out really great, and this is my favorite color, 1B/burgundy. So yeah, this is the result. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and check out Beyond Beauty. Yeah, they sent me this lovely hair for free. Yeah, this hair was sent to me for free. Very kind of them. So yeah, guys, check out and get your hair from them. If you need a wig or anything, they sell wigs as well. So yeah, this is their spring twist hair. So this is the name of the company, Beyond Beauty. So I will leave their Amazon link down below, guys. So bye, peace out.
Every single day